Welcome, today we're going to show you how to transfer Google Play balance to bank account. So the first thing that we need to ask that is it actually possible to transfer the balance to the bank account? So the actual answer is no, but we can have a way around that. So from here, if you have a Google Play balance, you can actually just try to open any app that you know that you can add that balance to that app. Like if you can transfer your balance and buy gift cards through it, you can just get those gift cards and sell them to your friends, family, or anyone you know. Or you can just post a Facebook post to sell a gift card. So you can have a lot of options to actually transfer your balance to your bank account through buying stuff and selling it. You can buy coins and transfer it to friends. You can actually try to buy something for your friends as a gift through the Google Play balance. So that will actually help you a lot in using that balance and transferring the money to your bank account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.